We'll start focusing on brand health by looking at a brand that saw its health on social media channels dramatically drop in a very short span of time. We are talking about a very famous Indian e-commerce company called Flipkart. Now, if you haven't been living under a rock during the first half of 2015, you've probably heard of the term net neutrality. Now, Flipkart and net neutrality became kind of synonymous with each other around April 2015. Just to give you a bit of a background, net neutrality is, as the term suggests, being neutral on the net, equal opportunities on the net for everyone. However, things were changing when Airtel was about to launch Airtel Zero, where a few websites would have preferential treatment in the sense that if you as a user was to access that particular website, you'll be paying lesser on data charges than other websites. Now what this does is, it gives those websites that have a tie-up with the service provider like Airtel a head start when it comes to acquiring consumers, because consumers will be paying less to access them. Now this goes against the principle of net neutrality. It goes against the principles that the internet actually stands for, and citizens weren't very happy about it. So especially netizens weren't very happy about it. Even you as an entrepreneur, if you were to start an e-commerce company tomorrow, there are entry barriers for you because other larger players with more money have already entered into tie-ups with larger companies, and this is not good for the industry. This is not good for the consumers. Now Flipkart was one of the companies that had signed on to Airtel Zero. Now as the date for net neutrality disappearing started coming closer and closer, activism against it started rising. There was a campaign that was going on asking people to stop buying from Flipkart, and very soon Flipkart realized that public opinion was really against them, and they decided to come out with a public statement pulling out of the Airtel Zero partnership and supporting net neutrality.
The end impact for consumers was that given the strength of sentiment against the brand, it just went on to show the power of social media, and also the fact that senior management of very well capitalized firms is sitting and taking notice of what people are saying on social media.